In our company, UCB Pharma, which is focused on research and development and sales, our core activity is to bring new molecules, new drugs in the market. This is our core business. We take care of all the administrative work around order to cash. My role at UCB is to drive efficiency and have a positive impact on the bottom line objectives of the company. So basically looking after cost of doing business, also looking after compliance, customer satisfaction, and have a positive impact also on working capital. So at UCB, as part of a global finance transformational journey, we have decided to create what we call a global business services organization, which basically has responsibility and full accountability for both process management as well as the operations. So we are focusing on transactions, and we are looking at repetitive transactions that do not require a lot of business expertise, and we try to find the good candidates for being centralized in a shared service center. All the processes that do require some very specific knowledge requires to be very close to the business. It just means that from an operational design perspective, we need to keep those processes managed locally, but they could be managed locally in an harmonized manner as opposed to a standardized manner, which is basically harmonization, looking after the variations and differences in a standardized way. Technology is a key enabler and nothing else. It's not a driver, it's just a tool or a system that will support the process management. From a transactional perspective, you need to have one single instance in order to facilitate visibility over your data and facilitate standardization and harmonization. So the reason why I wanted to have Genpact involved in the discussion is to have an independent review and some kind of a confirmation that I was making the right decisions and I was making the right proposition to the company, using experts who have an independent view and probably a more wide experience that I had. So that was the value for me to use a company like Genpact and use their order-to-cash expertise that goes beyond the pharma industry, that goes beyond big, small or medium companies.